This problem you've been given position x when you're asked for velocity. And so when we think about velocity, velocity is equal to position over time. So this is a rate, so that also means velocity is the derivative of position. So we just need to take the derivative of this function. And so the derivative of sine is cosine of 2t, but there's an inner function, 2t, and its derivative is 2. So we'll have 2 cosine of 2t plus 3 times the derivative of cosine is negative sine 3t. But it also has an inner function, so the chain rule is at play. The derivative of 3t is 3. So I really have my velocity is 2 cosine of 2t minus 3 times 3 is 9 sine of 3t. And we're looking at pi over 2. So that pi over 2 is going to go in for both t's. So we really have 2 cosine of 2 times pi over 2 minus 9 sine of 3 times pi over 2. Well, in this case, the 2's cancel, and I'm really looking at cosine of pi. Cosine of pi is negative 1 on the unit circle, minus 9 sine of 3 pi over 2. That same location on the unit circle, my sine value is negative 1 as well. So I have 9 times a negative 1. So I have negative 2 plus 9 is 7. So my velocity is 7. And I haven't given any units, so I won't report any units.